Welcome again to the AutoExpo2023, and this time from the Kia stall. Now, I've always wanted to say this. Kia ne kya kiya? Anyway, besides that, so Kia had two showcases today. One was this. This is called the Kia KA4. Now, it looked very familiar to you because it looks just like the Carnival. And in fact, in global markets, it is sold as the Carnival. So this is the updated version. It's got, as you can see, it's a facelifted version. There are a lot more features on this. The front is completely different. It has a new grille, LED lighting, and looks a lot sharper compared to the current Carnival, which is on sale in international markets. In terms of features, the Kia KA4 is a slightly bigger version than the current Carnival, and it has all the features that you already have on the version that's sold in India, with like a dual sunroof, electrically operated rear doors that slide open, and Kia even has a 11-seater version of the Kia KA4. It comes now, in addition to the features that it already has, it also has ADAS features, with collision prevention, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control. If you come over to the rear of the car, you can see the tail lamp design over here. Again, a full LED tail lamp. And now this is the concept that a lot of manufacturers are doing, where you have the tail light going right across the rear of the car. And this has got an electrically operated tailgate. The seats in the last row fold completely into the floor. And yeah, so when Kia does bring in the KA4 to India, it probably will come with the same 2.2 liter diesel engine that is currently on sale, but they might also upgrade the powertrain. They haven't mentioned anything about the powertrain that might go into the Kia KA4. Now let's head over to the other vehicle which was showcased today, which was the EV9. Now this Kia EV9 is a concept SUV which is based on the EV6 platform which Kia has already launched in India. So this has got very sharp styling cues, as you can see, large wheels. It's all electric. Of course, if you just take a quick peek into the interiors, you'll find that it has a very futuristic looking interior. So the front also very sharp looking, all LED lighting. There's no mention of when Kia will bring this into the market, although it will be launched globally in the first quarter of 2023 financial year, so which means between April and June. You'll see this in some global markets. This is the concept, so obviously when it comes on road, it might have some extra features on road. Yeah? So take a good look at the Kia EV9 concept, and this was all that was showcased at the Kia stall today, with the EV9 concept and the KA4. Take a good look at the rear of the EV9. Again, all LED lighting, very sharp styling, and a lot of this will probably make it into the production version of the EV9 as well. So besides the EV9 concept and the Kia KA4, you can take a look at the rest of the Kia stall. All the regular vehicles which are there at the Kia stall. You have the EV6 in the center, you have the Carens, the Seltos, and everything else on showcase at the Kia pavilion here. So that was Kia for you at the AutoExpo 2023. Follow Express Drives for more coverage on the Auto Expo. Thanks for watching.